I'm going to make loud noise before it's summertime.
Joseph, you can't make loud noise now.
Sorry, Mum. What's this?
No. Okay.
No.
Keep it up, you're doing great. What was that? I have no idea, but it would be really great if it didn't do it again.
Mom, how do you think esme Imogen feels when Joseph's watching A Christmas to Remember crashes and Boo's crying?
Actually, things would be really frightening.
Oh dear. Sorry, Mom.
Right. Well,